Hello, today I will be talking you through the solo Santa Lucia. I'm going to go just a phrase at a time on this and kind of give you some instruction throughout, and then we'll play it slowly. So please play with me when I play and listen carefully to my instructions about each section. So we will start at the beginning for right now. And then we will go the first two lines. So the first 8 measures is our first phrase. In this piece, you have one sharp, so just F sharp, low 2 on A and low 2 on E, high 2 on D, and high 2 on G. And then, of course, there's accidentals that I have marked too. So beginning, 1, 2, 3. So in those first 8 measures, be really careful about your dotted quarter note. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, and 2. Really important that you time that correctly. Let's move on to the next phrase, so the next 8 measures. Very similar rhythms in this section. And you have, actually it's the same exact thing that you just played, so this should be very straightforward. 1, 2, 3. And another note on this piece, it would be very easy to do phrasing just one measure crescendo, next measure decrescendo, and so on and so forth. So you can add that in very easily to get some phrasing in there. The next section, again, you have 2 almost repeated sections except for the very end. So the next 2 lines, watch out for your low 2 on the E string, and then you have an accidental C sharp, but make sure it goes back to C natural where it says. Watch your tuning on the E string for that high 4th finger. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. In this section, as many 4s as you can do rather than open, the better. Of course, vibrato is what we're really focused on for this, so a lot of vibrato and phrasing opportunities in this section. Let's do the last section. Hold with me on that fermata. When you do this on your own, you can hold as long as you want. 1, 2, 3. 4. So right there, I'm just holding a little longer. It's almost like the tempo pulls back for just a second for the fermata, and then you finish out strong in the original tempo. Something that you can choose to do with your 8th note slurs in these, the 3rd to last line and the last line, is put a little bit of a taper on them. So let me demonstrate that. You can choose to do this if you want. That's an option that you have. You could even decide to just do it the second time, and it might be a good contrast for you there. Otherwise, in this piece, you're really focusing on good tone quality and vibrato and phrasing. I hope that helps. Thank you.